D, E, and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC, and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of areas of triangle DEF and ABC. Okay, so it is given that these are respectively midpoints of sides of triangle ABC. So there is a triangle ABC. D, E, and F. So of side A, B, it is D. D, E, and F. Okay. So find the ratio of areas of triangle DEF and ABC. Okay. Now, given triangle ABC with D, E, and F as midpoints of sides AB, BC, and CA respectively. To find ratio of area of DEF upon area of ABC. This we have to find. Okay. Now, solution. We have studied midpoint theorem in class 9th. Line joining midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to third side and half of third side. Okay. So we can write by midpoint theorem as D and F are midpoints of AB and AC. Therefore, DF is parallel to BC. Okay. And similarly, D and E are midpoints of AB and BC. So DE is parallel to AC. Now DF is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to AC. Okay. Sorry, BE is 1 minute. D and E is, D is parallel to AC. Sorry. D is parallel to AC. Okay. So if this and this side is parallel, okay, and similarly, we can write EF. Similarly, EF is parallel to AB. Okay. So this and this side is also parallel. Okay. Now, अब देखो तो this and this side is parallel. This and this side is parallel. Therefore, BDEF is a parallelogram. Similarly, AF is parallel to DE. AD is parallel to EF. So AFED is also a parallelogram. And DF and BC are parallel. So DFEC is also a parallelogram. Okay. So DFEB is a parallelogram. Okay. And we know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into, or okay, we can do by two methods actually. Diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. ये भी पढ़ा था हमने. और अभी हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं अगर ये parallelogram है. If this one is a parallelogram, DFEB, ठीक है, तो एंगल F और एंगल B इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. अगर ये this one is a parallelogram, तो एंगल D और एंगल C इक्वल होगा. ओके. तो we can prove triangle ABC and DEF similar. Okay. First of all, we'll write all the triangles which all the parallelograms. So DFEB is a parallelogram. DFCE is also a parallelogram. Okay. Now, If DFEB is a parallelogram, means angle D equals to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram. DFB is a parallelogram and DFC is also a parallelogram. Okay, so angle B equals to angle F. Okay, तो अब in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equals to angle F, angle DFEB, angle F equals to angle B equals to angle F, angle C equals to angle D. Okay, so angle C equals to angle D. Okay, so we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If two triangles are similar, areas is the area of the ratio of areas of these two triangles. As we want DEF upon ABC, तो हम पहले DEF लिखेंगे फिर ABC लिखेंगे, is equal to D upon AB the whole square. Okay, अब ABC is similar to DE, 1 minute, ABC is equal to ये होगा EFD. Okay, तो if it is EFD तो ये हो जाएगा EF and EF is half of AB. Okay, so it will be 1/2. EF upon AB 1/2 हो जाएगा, that is equal to 1/4. तो ratio will be 1/4. Okay, so hence we don't have to prove, actually this is the answer.